my friend Anmol. Today we will going to discuss on the topic that how to lose yourself inside a work so that you can achieve the mastery over your task that you want. Actually, losing yourself inside the work is not an easy task. It is a hard nut to crack, you can say. Many people try to concentrate their mind. Many people try to make their mind in a single task, but actually they got diverted. Sometimes you are so confused that you are unable to think that what to do and what not to do. So this situation arises inside a person, so that person cannot think about to lose himself inside the work. Actually, losing yourself inside a work requires a dedication, requires the work which is done selflessly. So it is not an easy task. It is not in bed of roses to lose yourself inside a task.
Yeah.
That I want to say.
So surely losing yourself in any task is very important for a person to succeed in life. Work without any interest can never lead to a success in a life. So it is very important to have interest, to do some work in which you have an interest in that work. Creating interest is somewhat necessary, and finding your interest is somewhat necessary. It comes from the self introspection. We should introspect ourselves that in which field we have an interest.
Yes.
There are so many people who have an interest in different fields. Like somebody have an interest in music, somebody have interest in cricket, somebody have interest in reading, somebody have interest in driving. So all the persons in this world have different interests. But those who do their work according to their interest, according to his will, he will only will get succeed in his life. Because there are many persons who do their work just by saying. They see that no, my brother is doing this course, so I will also pursue this course. Though he have no interest in pursuing this course, but he is going to pursue this course. He is going to do this course because his brother is doing. Going to do this course because his friend is doing. So that we should not copy anybody. We should not follow anybody. We should always follow ourselves. We should see ourselves also in order to create interest and to focus upon only the single thing, single task in which we have interest. And after working for a long time, you will be certain that you have mastery on your subjects. And after this, your energy and all the resources will act as a force multiplier, because they will multiply your energy. If you work according to your interest, then your energy will double and triple. But if you don't work according to interest, then your energy will also be subtracted, and you always fail in your life. So the main thing is that focus on our interest is somewhat very important in today's generation. So that's why I want to say.
Actually, you are right on your own sense that having an interest on a topic, it is a good thing to do what you have interest inside. But here I am talking about the losing yourself inside a work. You cannot be able to lose yourself inside a task if you don't have a deep interest. That is right on your sense. But it should be clearly understood that the procedure for losing yourself, it is not an easy, and besides it is not easy, one should never never lose his hope. We should always try to follow the steps to lose yourself inside the world. Now I wanna tell you that how to lose yourself inside a task. To lose yourself inside a task, first of all you require a self introspection that will enable you to decide that on what task, which field, on which work you need to do research, you need to cope with, you need to engage yourself. That is very important. After understanding that from which task you have a deep interest, it should be clearly understood that after understanding it, that it should be clearly understood that your self dedication, your persistence, your zeal, your passion, and these things, they count very much in moving ahead towards losing yourself inside a work. If you love a work, you will lose yourself to do that task. For example, you have seen the many, tabla players, the many, sitar players, and lot of people. What they do, they lose their self inside that task. Sometime after playing for long hours, they do not get tired. Why? Because when you lose yourself inside a task, you got an inner energy, and that energy is far, bigger than the energy which is inside yourself, because it is an energy that, is a spontaneous energy. It is a natural energy that occurs inside yourself. So it is very important to lose yourself inside a work. And believe me, those who have lost themselves inside their work, they have been in the, pages. They have been in the pages of good books of the world. They have been achieved the mastery over their task. They have been developed the good skills. So it is very important to develop the good skills, to lose yourself inside a task. Booker T. Washington once quoted that when you lose yourself inside a task, you achieve the mastery over that task. And when you achieve the mastery over that task, there would be, no one, or you can say even you would not be able to deny what you have learned. You would be able to use your knowledge in the divergent field of the world. That is very important.
Sure. You might have been known about various experts in their field, various professors, various consultants. You can also take the help of a consultant if you are not able to find your interest. You can also do some research work on the internet. The person who have their interest in their field, who have mastery in their field, like professors, like experts, like lawyers, like doctors, like actors. So they have mastery over their subjects. They recognize their talent from very early part of the life. So they have started their work on this subject, and today they have mastery on their subjects. So it involves a lot of concentration. It involves a lot of focus and energy, and from a long time they have been doing this thing from years, by 10 to 15 years they have been engaging in this field. So you have to take patience, and because besides patience you have to work on your subjects. You might have been wondered that there are many actors, big actors. They continue to shoot 15 hours, 16 hours in a extreme hot condition, in extreme weather, in a cold weather, and they have to take risk of their life by doing various stunts, various scenes. So why they are doing that? Are they mad? No, because they have the interest in their field. They love their actings. They love if someone calls them as a actor.
Yes, you are right.
So that is the main thing. So I also get inspired from them, that how they can work continuously for such a long time. Even I wonder that I cannot even study for more than 4 to 5 or even a day. But they are continue to work on their field of 15 hours, 16 hours. It is very amazing that the scientists who have lost their mind, who have lost their body and soul in only researching and discovering various things, various discoveries, various innovation and innovative work. Sitting in a lab, sitting in a single room, even a day, they also lost. They even forget to take food. They even forget to take bath. They even forget to go to a home. So it is such amazing that how they are such how they have lost in their field, that they have forget to take all these things, to do all these things. It is such an amazing thing. It is because they have deep knowledge, they have interest in their field. They have been designed to for doing proper thing only. They think that our my birth is only to discover new things and to do some innovative work.
Yes, you're right.
So it is very it is not a strange. It is a matter of strange for ourselves, but it is not a matter of strange for theirs, because their life starts, their day starts, from their discovery, and the day start and their day ends, and their day night starts when they doing research and very innovative work and sitting in a single room and lab.
Actually, you have well talked about the scientists because they are in the labs for the continuous hours. They are persistently working on our results. Sometimes they meet to the errors, they meet to the frustration, they meet to the disappointment. Inside, beside of these things, they don't lose their, hope. They are apart from the worldly enjoyments. They are apart from the home. They are apart from the family members, and they are apart from the life of a normal person. That is too a fact. So it is. You have also, seen if, some scientists who have a long hairs. They may be a there may be a fashion of taking a long hairs, but sometimes they forgot cut their hairs. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was once called to take the Nobel Prize. For his achievement. What happened? Do you know? After some years, he take the time from his busy schedule to take that Nobel Prize. See that person, how great he is. He has even not a time to achieve his rewards, to praise his achievements. So it is very, it is a good example, or you can say it is an excellent example of a person who has lost totally inside his work. According to the Bhagavad Gita, it is rightly said that lose yourself. If you lose yourself, in a task, inside your duties, then you are very near to the Lord. You are very near to the Almighty. You are very near to achieve the supreme state of your life. So, the person who achieves this state, they must be, went from these, path of losing himself inside a work. Actually, some people, they do take their work as a burden, and that is why what happened, they fail to develop the interest inside a task. When you see your duties, when you see your responsibilities, when you see your work as a burden, then definitely you will not be able to achieve good results.
Yeah. It is matter of strange. I always wondered that many people who have a strong desire to do some work, who love their work, they never get bored. They never get boredom from their work. They never consider their work as a burden, but they always consider their work as an enjoyment, as a fun. But it is a matter of strength that many soldiers who stand, who fight with our country, who fight against our enemies on the borders, and they have to stand in the borders in extreme weather conditions, in extreme hot weather, and they have to also make their life in a risk just by protecting ourselves, just by to save our life. So
Yes.
it means that they have an interest in doing that work. Otherwise, who will sacrifice their all the materialistic desires of the society, and go to borders and shot a gun to our enemies? Who will do that? Only the soldiers, because they have a brave heart.
Yes, you are right.
They love their country, they love their nations, and they love the citizens of our country. But at the other point, there are many people in this world who consider their work as a bore, who consider their work as a burden. I think that in our country, more than 50% of the employees, they are not satisfied with their work. Even in a government sector also, they are not satisfied with their work. Recently, I have asked one branch manager of any bank. I asked him that is he satisfied with their duty or work. He told me no. I am not satisfied with their work. I don't want to work in a bank, but he is still working in a bank. So can you imagine that he will get succeed in life? Their bank will get success in life. No, because he has no interest to work in bank, but still he is working as a branch manager at that bank. So in the same way, there are 50 to 60% of the employees in our country. They don't have any interest in their work. They consider their work as a boredom. It is due to the because they have not got a good job profile. It is because they are getting less what they have expected. It is because the work environment is not good. It is because they don't like a field job. It may be also possible that they don't like their manager, their boss, and it may also be possible that their work culture is not good.
Yes, you're right.
So that's why in India, more than 50% of the employees are not satisfied. But as compared to a foreign country, it is not so. It is because of the work culture and proper. There are many different things that require.
You are right. As you have said that people of the today, they are not satisfied with their works. They are not satisfied with what they are getting. So, not satisfying with your task is another matter. But reviving from that situation is another matter. If you do not try to revive from that situation, then you will be called what? You will be called a fool. Because you know the problems, you know the circumstances, and in spite of knowing these things, you are not doing even a single effort to revive your position, to revive from that, circumstances. So it is not fact. Our life is not made to complain for a thing. Our life is made to understand that for what purpose we have made, to achieve the our aims, to make the society a good, to welfare for the society. We should think about that things. Why we need to think about ourselves that we are not getting we are getting a less salary, and we are not we are the problem, we are facing burden. If you are facing the burden, leave the job, take the next job. The jobs are with you. It is you who can decide what you have to do. You don't have been made to do a branch manager job in a bank. It is you who has decided to do this job. It should be clearly understood by a person. Otherwise, the misconception arises inside the mind of a person that the circumstances have not made you to do this job. It is you who have decided to do this job. So, and it is you who deserve to do that job. That is why you are doing that job. So, it is not a matter of feeling burden. It is not a matter of cursing your circumstances. It is only about analysis of a problem and revival from the situation. So at the last, I want to say that don't lose your hope of facing the burden, of facing the problems in your task. Your task may be complex. You have been given a Mountaineer task, but when you try to lose yourself inside the work, not only from your body, but also from your soul, but also from your mind, but also from your heart, then you will definitely get the results that are magical, that are miraculous, and that results will make you to in a book of good fame. So it is fact. It is nothing is impossible unless you try it by your heart. So lose yourself inside a task and be the master of your task. That I want to say. Thank you.
Thank you.